Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. We're almost at the end of our first season, and this is episode 19. I'm so proud of your commitment. Let's continue our practice. Listen carefully, pause, and repeat after me. Today, I want to talk about exploring some specific hobbies that can be both challenging and incredibly rewarding, requiring a mix of physical skill and mental focus. Let's delve into the worlds of swimming, archery, and horse riding. These are activities that connect us with different elements: water, precision, and animals. Let's start with swimming. For many, swimming is not just a sport, but a wonderful way to feel free and weightless. Imagine gliding through the water, the coolness a refreshing sensation. It's a fantastic full-body workout, gentle on the joints, and can be incredibly relaxing or invigorating, depending on your pace. Learning different strokes, improving your breathing technique, or even just building the confidence to swim in open water can be very empowering. There's a certain peace that comes from being in the water. Next, let's consider archery. This ancient skill requires immense focus, precision, and a steady hand. Picture yourself standing at the line, nocking an arrow, drawing the bowstring, aiming carefully at the distant target, and then releasing the arrow. There's a deep satisfaction when you hear that thud as the arrow hits its mark. Archery teaches patience, discipline, and a keen sense of body awareness. It's a very mindful activity that can help clear your head and improve concentration. And finally, horse riding. This hobby involved a unique partnership between human and animal. Learning to ride a horse is about more than just sitting in a saddle. It's about communication, trust, and balance. Feeling the power and grace of the horse beneath you as you trot or canter through a field or along a trail can be an exhilarating experience. It connects you with nature and with these magnificent creatures in a very special way. It also requires core strength and coordination. These three hobbies, swimming, archery, and horse riding, offer very different experiences, but they all share the common threads of skill development, personal challenge, and a unique connection with your surroundings, or, in the case of riding, with an animal. They can build confidence, teach discipline, and provide a wonderful escape from the everyday. Perhaps one of these activities sparks your interest, or maybe you already enjoy them. Exploring such engaging hobbies can truly enrich our lives. I hope this gives you some exciting vocabulary and vivid imagery for your shadowing practice. Just one more episode to go in Season 1. Keep it up! Bye!